Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about prime numbers and composite numbers. First of all, I will explain what is the mean by the prime numbers, that how we can define and how we can recognize them. Prime numbers. Prime numbers has only two factors, one and itself, so they are called prime numbers. For example, 2. How many factors it has? Only one and itself, so it is a prime number. In the same way, just consider another number 3. It is also prime numbers because it has only two factors. What are its factors? It's one and itself. So all those numbers whose factors are only 2, they are called prime numbers. For example, other one is 5. 5 is also prime numbers. How many factors it has? 1 and itself. If you consider 4, it's not a prime number. 2 is a unique number. It is prime as well as it is even because it can be divided by 2. Now we consider the composite number. That what does it mean by the composite numbers and how we define it, how we can recognize it. All composite numbers are positive integers. They are not fraction. They are not like that 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is not a composite number. They are positive whole integers and they have more than 2 factors. For example, I just write here 4. 4 can be divided by 1. It can be divided by 2. It can be divided by 4 itself. So this is a composite number. Factors mean they can divide it. In the same way, if you consider 6, it is also a composite number because it can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 6. So it is a composite number. In the same way, 8 is also composite numbers. So any number that has more than 2 factors, that it is composite number. 8, how many factors it has? 8 can be divided by 1, yes. It can be divided by 2, yes. 8 can be divided by 4, yes. 8 can be divided by 8, yes. So it means that 8 is a composite number. In the same way, 9 can be divided by 1, can be 2, can be 3 divided. 9 can be divided by 3, it can be divided by 9 itself. So these are the composite numbers. So the difference is that prime numbers, 2 cannot be divided by 9, I write it wrongly. So 1, 3 and 9. So it means that prime numbers has only 2 factors, 1 and itself. And composite numbers has more than the 2 factors. It can be divided more than the 2 numbers. Like 4 has how many factors? 1, 2, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So it means that prime numbers have how many factors? 2 only. And more than 2, composite number. This is the basic difference. Composite numbers are always positive numbers. Whole numbers, they are never be fraction. And 2 is a unique number. How? Because it is even as well as prime. Thank you so much.